Welcome to my channel. Learn and speak English daily. What is this called? Cake slicer.
Cake slicer.
Cake slicer.
Cake slicer.
What is this called? Deep fryer.
Deep fryer.
Deep fryer.
Deep fryer.
What is this called? Garlic press.
Garlic press.
Garlic press.
Garlic press.
What is this called? Colander.
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 What is this called? Juicer.
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 What is this called? Egg slicer.
Egg slicer.
Egg slicer.
Egg slicer.
What is this called? Grater.
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 What is this called? Microwave.
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 What is this called? Dish rack.
Dish rack.
Dish rack.
Dish rack.
What is this called? Bottle opener.
Bottle opener.
Bottle opener.
Bottle opener.
What is this called? Chopsticks.
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 What is this called? Cup.
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 What is this called? Mixer.
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 What is this called? Jar.
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 What is this called? Kitchen paper.
Kitchen paper.
Kitchen paper.
Kitchen paper.
What is this called? Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Cutting board.
What is this called? Knife.
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 What is this called? Slicer.
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 What is this called? Spatula.
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 What is this called? Griddle.
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 What is this called? Cutlery.
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 What is this called? Cleaver.
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 What is this called? Wok.
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 What is this called? Kitchen scissor.
Kitchen scissor.
Kitchen scissor.
Kitchen scissor.
What is this called? Kitchen towel.
Kitchen towel.
Kitchen towel.
Kitchen towel.
What is this called? Sponge.
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 What is this called? Pan.
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 What is this called? Lemon squeezer.
Lemon squeezer.
Lemon squeezer.
Lemon squeezer.
What is this called? Mock box.
Mock box.
Mock box.
Mock box.
What is this called? Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
What is this called? Ladle.
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 What is this called? Perforated spoon.
Perforated spoon.
Perforated spoon.
Perforated spoon.
What is this called? Whisk.
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 What is this called? Sieve.
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 What is this called? Toaster.
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 What is this called? Dishwasher.
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 What is this called? Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
What is this called? Teapot.
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 What is this called? Broom.
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 What is this called? Wooden spoon.
Wooden spoon.
Wooden spoon.
Wooden spoon.
What is this called? Cup and saucer.
Cup and saucer.
Cup and saucer.
Cup and saucer.
What is this called? Plate.
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 What is this called? Kettle.
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 What is this called? Oven gloves.
Oven gloves.
Oven gloves.
Oven gloves.
What is this called? Fridge.
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 What is this called? Glass.
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 What is this called? Dustbin.
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 What is this called? Butter dish.
Butter dish.
Butter dish.
Butter dish.
What is this called? Clock.
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 What is this called? Dining table.
Dining table.
Dining table.
Dining table.
What is this called? Cupboard.
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 What is this called? Mug.
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 What is this called? Tongs. Tongs. Tongs.
Tongs.
What is this called? Rolling board.
Rolling board.
Rolling board.
Rolling board.
What is this called? Gas stove.
Gas stove.
Gas stove.
Gas stove.
What is this called? Cooker.
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 What is this called? Saucepan pan.
Saucepan pan.
Saucepan pan.
Saucepan pan.
What is this called? Baking tray.
Baking tray.
Baking tray.
Baking tray.
What is this called? Measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons.
What is this called? Salt and pepper shakers.
Salt and pepper shakers.
Salt and pepper shakers. What is this called? Ice cream scoop.
Ice cream scoop.
Ice cream scoop.
Ice cream scoop.
What is this called? Wafflet maker.
Wafflet maker.
Wafflet maker.
Wafflet maker.
What is this called? Casserole dish.
Casserole dish.
Casserole dish.
Casserole dish.
What is this called? Thermos.
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 What is this called? Spice containers.
Spice containers.
Spice containers.
Spice containers.
What is this called? Masher.
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 What is this called? Sink.
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 Subscribe to my channel Learn and Speak English Daily. Thank you.